Hello friends, welcome to Freshers Live. Today we shall see how to apply for Southeastern Railway recruitment. Go to Google and search for Southeastern Railway Freshers Live. Click on the first link and you will find the details in this web page. Right now there is one job for the post of Office Superintendent and the job location will be Kolkata. Last date to apply is 28th March. Click on job details for more information. So there are 158 office superintendent vacancies. Any graduate can apply for this post and the last date to apply is 28th March. Number of vacancies is 158. Job location will be Kolkata. Last date to apply is 28th March. So here they have mentioned the qualification details. Please go through it. Next we have the important dates. Next the address and selection procedure. Combined examination would be held for staff of all departments except accounts and security of HQ office or GRC and KOI. And next they have given the application procedure. Please go through it and click on apply now. The notification issued by Southeastern Railway is given here. Eligibility criteria, procedure for holding selection, essential qualification, syllabus, how to apply, important dates, grounds of rejection, everything is mentioned here. And this is the application form. I think they have given the syllabus also. Please go through it guys, as this will be helpful for the examination. That's it guys. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for regular updates. Visit fresherslab.com for more job alerts. Thanks for watching.